In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account on Slack. If you need to permanently leave a Slack workspace, the way to do that is by deactivating your profile. This immediately removes your access to the workspace, signs you out of your active sessions, and logs you out across desktop, mobile, and web. One important thing to know before you begin is that your past messages, shared code snippets, and uploaded files will usually remain in the workspace, so your team can still keep its history and context. Before moving forward, there's one key restriction. If you are the primary workspace owner, you won't be able to deactivate your own account until you transfer ownership to someone else or delete the entire workspace. If you're a regular member, an admin, or a guest, you can continue right away. To start, open Slack, either in the desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Once Slack is open, go to the top right corner and click your profile picture or avatar. This opens a menu. From there, click Profile. A profile panel will appear, and underneath your name, click the three-dot More menu. Then choose Account Settings. Slack will open your account settings in a secure browser page. Once that page loads, make sure you're on the Settings tab. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Near the lower section, look for the area labeled Deactivate Account. This is where Slack places the advanced account action you need. Next, click the button that says Deactivate your account. At this point, Slack checks whether your account is allowed to be deactivated based on your role in the workspace. If everything is clear, you'll be taken to a final confirmation page explaining that the action is permanent and that you'll lose access to the workspace. Now, you'll need to verify your identity. Click into the password field and enter your current account password, then click Confirm Password. If your Slack account uses single sign-on, such as signing in through Google or Apple, this password confirmation step may be skipped automatically. After that, you'll see a red confirmation button that says, "Yes, deactivate my account." Click it to finalize the process. Slack will immediately process the request, disconnect your sessions, and return you to the log out screen. At that point, your account is fully deactivated and no longer connected to the workspace. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.